Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for being here. If you are new, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below what you think about this video. This video is just going to be a quick video on how to trim a fringe. If you've got a blunt fringe or these sort of bangs, this is going to be a really quick way on what you need to do. If you have clients come into your salon, you're thinking, how can I sort of refine this really quickly? You've got 15 minutes, clients just walked in, can I please have a fringe trim? This is what you want to do. So we want to work with that middle piece. And you can see my mannequin, her hair has grown, so it's got in her eyes. So what we want to do, grab this middle bit, and then we just take off through there. Let's just see where that's sitting. Yeah, nice. So it's just sitting on that sort of bridge of the nose. Then what we want to do is we want to grab all of this hair in the fringe. I'm going to take up that big bit as well, let's get on my nerves. And we're going to push it over to that section that we just cut in the middle to there. I'm just going to cut that off. Because we pushed it over into the middle, her eyelashes are coming off. Sorry girl, look at that. Oh. Easy as that. So she can now see, she can now drive, she can now walk without bumping into things, but this one's still getting in her eyes. So that middle section as we did, let's pull it up, bring it over that middle guide that we had. Let's just cut that off. You'll see, just taking that out of her eyes. And have a closer look. There we go, she can now see. But we can refine it a little bit more. So what we could do is we've got the shape in there, we know that's safe. Scissors underneath, and then we just can point cut just to refine that or loosen it up a little bit. And then same with here, but then when we get to here we don't want a straight comb because we can end up cutting all that off. So we just want to tilt that comb to that angle. Just refine that out. And there we go. And again, lift this up. Comb in to that angle. She's done. Fringe trim in what was that? I don't know how many seconds that was, but that's it. She's ready to go, and it's added lots of texture because we brought it up, and we could even point cut that through there to even loosen it even more if we wanted to. But if that's a lifesaver in the salon, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll keep bringing you these really quick and, what's the word? Quick and easy tips if you like them. So let me know in the comments down below if you like them, and I'll keep on bringing you them. But that is a fringe trim in, what should we say, 30 seconds. Boom. See you in the next video.